What's up? All right, well, this is it, guys. This is the first look of the new studio. This is the wall, but as you can see, it's like, there ain't nothing on it. It is very naked, yes. But we're gonna change that. Basically, this whole process has been like pure chaos, like in a lot of respects, but honestly, there's a way to kind of navigate just your stuff being spread all over the place in boxes. You don't know where everything's at. I'm still looking for my notepads for like all of my ideas for all my videos and what I'm going to be drawing next. But that's what this video is all about. Okay, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to manage chaos, especially if you find yourself having to move cities and moving your studio around, or maybe if it's something as simple as just, you know, moving your studio into another room of your current pad. Like, that's what we're going to talk about today. So let's hang some drawings. Moving your studio is definitely one of the most chaotic things you'll probably ever do as an artist. I just did it, so here are some helpful tips that I'm going to give you if you ever find yourself doing what I just did. Try to break it up, into manageable pieces. Moving is a huge undertaking, and that's the big thing, is don't try to do it all at once. If you have a spouse or somebody that can help you, like a partner, definitely utilize them. And start packing, seriously, a week to 2 weeks in advance. My wife and I, we only lived in a 1-bedroom apartment, and it's amazing how much stuff we have accumulated because we've been nesting there for almost 6 years. And just accept the fact that, things are going to happen. We lost a handful of glasses. One of my drawings, the glass broke. Just accept that. That's going to happen when you move cross country. And also understand that change equals growth, and growth is a part of your journey as an artist. And to that point, moving is like drawing, right? We don't draw everything all at once. There's steps, there's a process, there's layers. Just take it one step at a time. And before you know it, you'll be back in your new studio, and you'll be drawing and making art, and you'll be happy. Okay, so it's so pretty. So pretty. Well, this has been a long time coming. I've kind of been out of commission literally for a week, 2 weeks now, going on 3 weeks. But it's kind of like Leonardo da Vinci said, art is never finished. It's only abandoned. And I wouldn't say that I abandoned my art. I'm just, logistically going through life and trying to handle things, and it's like, I can only do so much. I hope, this video kind of shows you guys, hey, look, I'm literally right around the corner. I'm going to be coming out with a Cobra tutorial, a cheetah tutorial. I'm also going to do a puppy tutorial and a kitten tutorial. So those will all be for YouTube. I am going to be coming out with some Skillshare classes as well, but of course, those are exclusive to Skillshare only. Those aren't going to show up anywhere else. So I hope you guys are having fun, and I'll see you in the next one.